Hello, welcome. I am Darby Winstrom from the Star Tribune newspaper. Today we will start and end with weather questions and questions about the internet. Today we have a guest telling you the weather questions.
Hello, my name is Johnny Jonathan, and one of the viewers asked this question: how do clouds form? I was wondering this question a couple days ago. Anyway, here's the answer. How do clouds form? Clouds are possibly the most interesting and beautiful of all weather phenomena. While there are a wide variety of cloud shapes and sizes, they are all made of the same thing: condensed water or ice. Clouds form when rising air, through expansion, cools to the point where some of the water vapor molecules clump together faster than they are torn apart by their thermal energy. Some of that invisible water vapor condenses to form visible cloud droplets or ice crystals. Here are the steps to make a cloud. Step 1. The sun heats the ground. Step 2. The warm ground in turn heats the air above. Step 3. The warm air at the ground is lighter and less dense than the air surrounding air above, so it begins to rise. Step 4. The rising air takes on the shape of a round parcel. Step 5. Several things happen as the parcel rises up through the atmosphere. Step 6. The rising, expanding, cooling air parcel finally rises so high that the surrounding atmospheric air is the same temperature as the cooled parcel. This is called an equilibrium. Equilibrium. Wow, never heard that word. Temperature, when equilibrium is reached, the parcel loses momentum and stops rising. 7. By the time the air parcel has reached equilibrium temperature, enough moisture has condensed out of it to form a cloud.
Wow, Johnny, that was so interesting. I learned so much.
Thank you.
Well, here are some questions that viewers asked. What is the difference between searching Google or searching Encyclopedia Britannica?
Well, I would say Encyclopedia Britannica is a fully researched source, and scientists researched the stuff that's on the source. But what Google gives you is links to all the web pages that have your search. It's a search of everything on the internet, Darby.
Okay. Well, what does extending from discovery mean then?
I think it means learning more about a subtopic. You know, you have to go deep in the sentence and learn more about the subtopic.
Okay. Well, here's the third question. How do you know your source is reliable?
Well, it normally says, if it's reliable, that it's from a scientist or a scientific journal, or it would be false or incorrect data.
Okay. What info do you need to provide when you cite an electronic source?
Cite the URL of the web page. If the web page cites a source, then you may cite the source as the main source of the info.
Okay. And then please list some ways you could represent or share what I learned. What a weird question to ask.
I know, right? Well, I would either do it in like a podcast or a vlog or a blog. An essay would work fine. A print, like typing, or a slideshow. Those are the only ones I can think.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching the Star Tribune newspaper show.
Bye!